Today I will show you how to do the foliage and how to assemble our paper flower challenge of the month, which is the clematis. I'll be using Clematis Montana as my reference. Generally, the leaves are simple, trifoliate, compound, and opposite. For this project, we'll be needing pieces of green crepe paper. This one is 40 by 80 millimeters along the grain, and the other one is 40 by 60 millimeters along the grain. We also need green Japanese crumpled paper, my favorite. We'll use this as an alternative materials on how to do the clematis leaves. Also, double-sided tape, tacky glue, 26 gauge wires, and our template. Let's begin doing the leaves using crepe papers. To do this, we cut the crepe paper into diagonal using a pair of scissors. But if you want to make a more precise cut, I advise that you use a rotating cutter or a slide cutter. I have already pre-cut my papers a while ago, so this is how it would look like. We put a small amount of glue along the diagonal line. Then we place a 26 gauge wire over it. Gently slide the wire on the glue line so that it will spread to it. We use longer wire for the leader leaflet since most of the leaves are long-stemmed. After placing the other half, we press it down to ensure a good tack of the pieces. To make a clematis leaf set, we need one leader leaflet and two other leaflets on the sides. We'll use these leaflets to make a leaf set of the clematis. A bit of a trivia. A trifoliate leaf is made of 3 leaflets composed of a leader leaflet and 2 other leaflets on the sides. After joining these 3 pieces together, it is now called a leaf and not leaves. As I have mentioned earlier, I'm emulating Clematis Montana like the one we see above, whose leaves are slightly serrated on the edges. Most of the clematis leaves are very simple, which means the edges of the leaf are plain or just a straight line. Place the template over the prepared green crepe paper and cut out accordingly. I'll be using 2 templates, one for the leader leaflet and the other one for the 2 leaflets on the side. After cutting, we wrap the stem of the leader leaflet with florist tape around 15 mm from the base of the leaflet. Then we get the 2 other leaflets, face it opposite each other, and attach it at the end of the taped area. Finish with florist tape. You can add shaping details using the edge of the scissors to give a more natural look on the leaves. So that's how I do it. We have finished a trifoliate leaf of the clematis using crepe paper. Now I will show you how to do it using materials other than crepe paper. We start by putting double-sided tape on one side of the paper. I love using this crumpled paper for foliage because it gives a good look and really complement my blooms. I have to add more tapes until I get the desired size for the leaves that I'll be doing. Double-sided tape comes in different weed sizes, so be sure to get the right size. Then we fold it and cut out the excess. For this set, we measure and cut two sizes. One is 40mm width and the other two with 30mm width. To do the leaflet, just peel off the white paper. Put the wire at the middle, and then fold the other half. Crease along the wire to get a good tuck. We do the same for the others. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use any adhesive that is available to you. Using our leaf template, we can now cut to shape our leaflets starting from the leader leaf. The leaflets on the sides are slightly smaller than the leader leaflet. After cutting, we add coloring on the leaf to detail it out. I'm adding color to this since the leaves of the Clematis Montana have prominent red shades, especially on the side of the leaves and stem. By the way, I'm using red soft pastels to add color to my leaflets. To do that, we just get some color using a sponge and then rub it on the leaflets, focusing on the sides. Shape each leaflet using the edge of the scissors. Also, fold it along the wire area to emphasize the midrib of the leaf. After that, we cover the wire with florist tape. For the leader leaf, we cover between 15 to 20 millimeters from the base of the leaf and around 8 to 10 millimeters for the leaflets on the side. We trim off excess tape. Fold 5 mm away from the leaf base of the two side leaflets. Face it opposite each other and attach it to the leader leaflet. To shape out, use long nose pliers. Add some red colors also on the stem of the leaf. To assemble, we can add leaf bract on one of the bloom. Leaf bract is a small immature leaf that usually grows on the stem of the bloom. Then, we attach the leaf we made a while ago. To extend the stem, add 18 or 20 gauge wire. After attaching together all of the blooms, buds, and leaves, dab some red color on the areas that were taped last. Now, shape out the sprig the way you wish it to look like. We're done! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to get more tips and tutorials. Thank you for crafting with us.